dietitian over at Comprehensive Center for Weight Loss, and today I'm going to show you how to make peppermint mocha protein pudding. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, we're going to mix 1 box of sugar-free chocolate pudding, 2 scoops of protein powder, along with 1 teaspoon of instant coffee and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. We're going to use a whisk and mix everything together until it is fully combined. Then we're going to add 2 cups of milk, any milk of your choice, along with 1/8 of a teaspoon of peppermint extract. Then we're going to use a hand mixer and mix everything together until it is fully mixed. Make sure to scrape the sides of a bowl to make sure no pieces are left behind. We're going to pour the mixture evenly into 4 cups and refrigerate them for an hour until it settles. Whenever an hour passes and we're ready to set up our pudding, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be a little bit more firm than your typical pudding texture, but that's because of the protein. That's what we want. So right here, we're going to add a little bit of whipped cream to get a little extra fun. And we're gonna top it off with some crushed peppermint canes, right? If you can find a sugar-free option, that would be great. Otherwise, since it's a very small amount, we can go ahead and get away with the regular deal. And when we're ready, we're gonna look like this. All right, we'll have a good